Recently, Shandong province experienced intense rainstorms, with Dongying City and Kenli City among the hardest hit. In fact, some areas saw record-breaking one-day rainfall. The heavy rain in Dongying was particularly severe, with the city receiving a staggering 106 millimeters of rain in just 1 hour. Videos circulating online show the extent of the storm's impact. Torrential rain and strong winds led to widespread flooding. Many residential areas were submerged, and the streets turned into rivers. Vehicles were trapped underwater, and power outages affected much of the city. Dongying saw some of the worst rainfall in recent history, turning corridors into waterfalls. On the evening of the 26th, cyclonic activity caused exceptionally heavy rain in Shandong. Rainfall intensity exceeded 100 millimeters in just an hour, with a total of 190 millimeters accumulating over 2 hours. In response to the emergency, Dongying's meteorological station quickly upgraded the rain warning from yellow to the highest level, red, at 7:35 p.m. Additionally, Dongying City activated a Level 4 emergency response to manage the flooding, address potential disaster risks, and ensure resident safety. The heavy rain was caused by low-level shear and cyclones, affecting several southeastern areas of Shandong. Dongying recorded 36 millimeters of rain, Kenli 283 millimeters, and Hai 279 millimeters, all significant figures for the region. According to China's chief meteorological expert, these amounts set new records for one-day rainfall at each location. The rain in Dongying was even more intense than Typhoon Li's impact in 2019, while Kenli and Hai experienced. Today, rain is expected to continue in central, southern, and eastern parts of the Shandong Peninsula, though it will mainly be light with some moderate showers. Residents should carry rain gear, avoid flooded areas, and not attempt to cross floodwaters.